Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good day, students. My name is Ustaz Abdulwasi Muhammadu Jamiu. I welcome you once again to the e-learning Islamic study GSS 3. The topic of today is Al-Muta'al and Al-Qadir. As we all know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has 99 names, and out of these 99 names, we are going to take some of the selected names. And one of the selected name is Al-Muta'al. One of the names of Allah is Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Qudus, As-Salam. But the topic of today, as we'll be told, is Al-Muta'al. Al-Muta'al, the most exalted, the most high, the supreme, one of the names, attribute of God. These names, it means the most exacted, the most high, that Allah is the most high. Al-Qadri is the one with complete power, that we cannot compare Allah to any other human being. Allah is a powerful God. He is the one who decrees. It simply means says be and it is. With the Arabic word innama amruhu idha arada shay'an an yakula lahu kun fayakun. That is, Allah is the one that decrees for human being whatever he or she wants to be in life. Al-Qadri needs no means to do anything. We human beings in this life, when we want to do anything, we depend on someone. But Allah, He does not depend on anybody. The powerful, the all-capable. Allah is the powerful God, the all-capable. Allah, He is in charge of everything. He is capable of doing things without taking permission from any human being. Qadir comes from the root Kaf, Dal, Ra, which points to four main meanings. The first meaning is to have the power to accomplish, to be capable. The second is to measure, to distribute something, or to make manifest. The third is to decree or ordain, and the fourth is to prevail. Out of these four meanings, we can actually derive from this meaning that Allah is the Lord that accomplish. There's difference is when human being intend to do something, it's possible for him to accomplish it, and it's possible for him not to accomplish it. But Allah, when He wills, when He will, Allah will accomplish His aim. And to be capable, Allah is capable of doing things in an unexpected way. To measure, Allah also measure the lifespan of human being. That is, we are going to spend 2 years, 5 years, 7 years. This is being decided by Allah. The third is to decree or ordain, and the fourth is to prevail. Allah prevents something to happen without depending on any human being. Example of these forms are Yakdiru, He has power. Qadara, we have decreed. Al-Qadri, of power, and Qadirun, is able. All these, we normally see it in the glorious Quran when Allah said, Yakdiru man yasha, that He has the power to do something. He has the power to plant something for human being. Allah Azza wa Jalla refers to Himself with the nominal Qadir 45 times in the Quran, of which one mention is Al-Qadri, the powerful. In the glorious Quran, when we check the glorious Quran, we realize that there are 45 times that this name Al-Qadir is being mentioned in the glorious Quran. Al-Qadir himself says, Allah is the one who created you from weakness, then made after weakness strength. Human being, Allah has created us from weakness. Then from weakness, human being will be energized. Then if Allah now strengthens us, will be able to stand firmly. All this is being decided by Allah. He creates what he will, and he is the knowing, the competent. That Allah has created what he has the knowledge about it. And Allah is the knowing. He knows everything that is existing on the surface of the earth, and everything that is what is in the heaven. Blessed is he in whose hand is dominion, and he is over all things competent. That is, Allah is the dominion of everything and is competent to decide without not depending on any human being. If he wills, he can do away with you or people and bring others in your place. And ever is Allah committed to do that. That this ayah led us to understand that Allah He wills without depending on human being. Allah decides with His man yasha. Allah is competent God. We human being, when we are doing something, there is tendency for people to discover our fault, but there's nobody that can not there's nobody can that can detect the fault of Allah. Power and mercy. Al-Qadir has the power to replace a whole nation with another one in whatever way he wants. The word Al-Qadir, in another explanation, simply means that Allah He has that power to replace a nation with another nation if they transgress, if they do something that is not in line or in conjunction with the glorious Quran. With his power, he can make large pieces of the earth lifeless and at the same time grant or withhold great amounts of possession from whomever he wills. This led us to understand when the people of Ashabul Fil, when they intended to destroy the Kaaba, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the bird of Ababil to them in order to destroy them. This led us to understand that Allah is a powerful God, that we cannot compare anybody with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the meaning of Al-Qadir. As we can see that we've explained Al-Qadir and we've explained Al-Muta'ali, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we cannot compare any other thing with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And as we've seen here, we are going to go through this note and make sure that you attempt the assignment that we've drafted for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.